In this video, I'm gonna show you how to propagate Mammillaria cactus family. Choose a stem that's about an inch or bigger to ensure a higher success rate. Twist and turn to remove, or simply cut with scissors. Let it develop callus for 2 to 7 days, depending on your location's temperature. Just make sure they've developed hard callus. Place in bright indoor. No direct sunlight yet. After callus have developed, it's time to pot. Choose a fast-draining soil and bury up to 1/3 of the stem. Keep the soil moist after the first week, and continue until the 6th week or so. This is crucial to encourage root growth. Let's see the roots after 4 weeks. Let me wash the roots, so you can get a closer look. Roots are looking great and well developed. Let's repot it. At this stage, you may continue to mist more or water full, because the roots are well developed, and it can intake water through its roots. After the 6th week, you may start to introduce it to normal watering schedule. As how you would water adult succulents. And observe if it can handle the new schedule. Please subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!